Star FM.
With Chifomular, she's very popular.
Yeah. So next week she'll be coming through on the Zimdancehall Remedy along with Faceless. And I'll tell you the third guest. It's gonna be wicked. And then after that, the following week, I'm gonna try to get Enzo Aishal, Master H, and Uncle Epperton and Bazooka in the studio. I tell you, this is the month of Forgetter Youths. I know I've talked to Bazooka and Boss Pomako and Enzo Aishal before, but I'm gonna try to get them once more back in the studio. I'll make sure that I'll talk to Fanta nicely. To Chidafu. Lady, from Lady, we enter Gita Goria, Singoma Zinorira, Swamaenda Gutoroba Mkoma, Gallus Records, what a team, wicked. Getting dancehall from the four corners of Zimbabwe, Gosso. Pull it one more time. Why say Gita Korea? Mr. Hex Kwarara Wakwan and Masebele Baganyanya. Wicked. Go Minorita. Boys, Ripa Gazepo. Boys, Zagida. What do you say? Upper night shift to Papa. Nugu Zega. Pagaipa. 11:30 all time. Start FM to the fullest. So Gita Goria is a ghetto youth. Coming from Chi-Town, if I'm not mistaken. He's on the rise. I had him just a couple of weeks ago in the studio. Adam Cheeky. A big shout out to Reverend Titus Manjengwa. Hey, Champo, how you doing? Hands of a fun, creative of Uncle Lee. Wagwan brother. Introducing another artist. A double artist.
Tune after tune.
Pop 10. Uncle Epperton. And they got Funga.